Welcome to the 2025 Kingswood Review. Experience the ultimate blend of style, luxury, and performance. The 2025 Kingswood is redefining the full-size sedan experience. In this presentation, we'll take you through the Kingswood's elegant exterior design, spacious interior features, advanced technology, and impressive performance capabilities. Get ready to unleash the ultimate driving experience. Let's begin. Exterior design. The 2025 Kingswood boasts a sophisticated and aerodynamic design, featuring new LED headlights with daytime running lights, chrome-plated grille, 19-inch alloy wheels, power folding exterior mirrors, LED fog lights, rear spoiler. Its sleek lines and refined stance command attention on the road. Interior and comfort. Inside, the Kingswood offers premium leather appointed seating for 5 passengers, heated and ventilated front seats, 2.3-inch touchscreen display, Kingswood infotainment system KISS, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone automatic climate control, safety and driver assistance. Safety features include Kingswood safety package, adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, rear view camera, automatic emergency braking, powertrain and performance. The 2025 Kingswood boasts 3.5 LV6 engine, 315 HP, 280 lb-ft torque, 2.0 L turbocharged petrol engine, 255 HP, 270 lb-ft torque, 8-speed automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive system, all-wheel drive system optional, performance capabilities. With its advanced suspension system, electronic stability control, sport mode, the Kingswood delivers exceptional acceleration and handling. 0 to 60 mph 5.5 seconds. Top speed 155 mph 250 km/h. Trim levels and pricing. The 2025 Kingswood is available in 4 trim levels. Base starting at $43,995. Luxury starting at $48,995. Sport starting at $53,995. Limited edition starting at $58,995. Each trim offers unique features and upgrades to suit various driving needs.